And I've come back to this gift.
Hi.
I have.
You haven't subscribed.
With my account, I haven't.
No.
Coffee time.
इसके बाद next है. This is the last need. So let's do it. Hello beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. After coming back from Nagpur, I did all the formalities and joined the department. क्या हुआ?
So डॉक्टर कर्ल्स, आपने एप्रन क्यों पहना है? क्या आपने एनाटॉमी डिपार्टमेंट ज्वाइन कर लिया है?
Yeah, I'm a tutor now.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
पता नहीं यार, अभी आज डे 1 है. अब सेकेंड हाफ में मुझे डिसेक्शन में जाना है. बैक टू फर्स्ट ईयर की मेमोरीज. लेट्स सी, फिर बताऊंगी. देखती हूँ I'm able to shoot तो ब्लॉग में भी आ जाएगा डिसेक्शन और.
प्लीज करना, मुझे देखना है.
That's it यार, एनाटॉमी में ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. मैंने बहुत आराम की जॉब ले ली है as compared to the.
ये आराम नहीं है, आप फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स को पढ़ाने वाले हैं तो.
Actually, first year MBBS students. So here's a little tour of where I work. यहाँ रोज पंच करना होता है, इन टाइम और आउट टाइम. गड़बड़ नहीं कर सकती. Okay, so I have to mention this. The one you see in the mirror and the one you always see these days in my stories or in my videos, she can make the best DOP. She literally has that sense of direction, you know. She loves taking candids and videos, and now that she knows I vlog, so she makes sure I get the best shots. So this is the first video that she shot when she came to meet me in the department, and then she was like, I will shoot you outside the department as well. So yeah, that's what she does. ये आ गई थी मेरे पास, बीच में फ्री हुई तो हाँ मैं आ रही हूँ. बट शी गॉट अ कॉल. मेडिसिन में कुछ इमरजेंसी है, मैं भी चल रही हूँ. Okay, so I'm just back from work and I'm home alone. So मैं ही सोच रही हूँ जब तक घर वाले लौट कर आते हैं, let me make tea for them.
Bon appetit.
Okay, so mom is back from the market and she went to the nursery and our winter collection is here. I really need morning coffee. I've understood this. ना आज मैं घर से पी कर आई और ना ही लेकर आई. And now I'm struggling. बाहर यहाँ कॉफ़ी या जूस कॉर्नर है. I don't know कब तक खुलता है, but till then I can't even study or focus. This is how handicapped I've become. Not good. Not good at all.
Finally coffee. और ये मेरी कॉफी पार्टनर.
Okay, so I'm just back from work and I've come back to this gift. I'll show you. So my roomie sent it to me and you'll see how thoughtful it is. It's a deep conditioning mask. So I always wanted one, but I never had one. And even she has written in the message that she has been longing to give this to me. And उसने बीच में मुझसे पूछा भी था कि did you buy that deep conditioning mask? And I was like, no, not yet. I love such thoughtful gifts. I mean, thanks, babe. I'll obviously be calling her, but then I have to mention this in my video. Thank you. So this is the second gift and it has a message written and all. But the first gift came 2 days ago and mama came to me asking, did you order something from Amazon? And I was like, no, that's not mine. But then it was written, like my name was written on it. But then I said it was not mine. I thought maybe papa had ordered something. Then he refused that he also didn't order. Then I was like, okay, my name is written, तो चलो मुझे खोल लेना चाहिए. And I opened it and it was a lip color. And by looking at the face of it, उसका मुंह बता रहा था कि this is from her because in Sonal's engagement, I had seen that lip color with her and I just casually asked, or she told, keep this one is good because we were like girls talk, we were talking about lip colors and all, which one lasts longer and which one is, you know, doesn't smudge and all. So we were just casually talking and she gifted one. Thanks. So it was my off the other day, but their online classes were going on. So I had nothing but to shoot. Done?
Almost.
And now he is on to his next object. That's his next object. I suggested.
Thanks.
Yes, I did. You
Where
haven't.
I have.
You haven't subscribed.
With my account, I haven't.
No.
Oh, I forgot. Sorry.
You
Hey,
commented
hey, hey.
under my video and
Yes,
you haven't
yes.
subscribed.
Hey, I subscribed seriously.
He hasn't, na?
I have. I.
This is your
This
account.
is
You haven't
not
subscribed.
mine. Okay, I don't see this. Okay,
Whatever, but
I
you
see
haven't
this.
subscribed to me.
Okay,
Open my channel. What? You
I was literally
caught.
watching your videos.
You have commented also, but you haven't subscribed. See?
Okay, I subscribed. What are you guys talking about? What are you guys
you
talking
just did.
about?
What are we eating? Yes, right. And this is what we are watching. What are we watching? And guess, where am I?
Coffee time.
And Diwali week has begun. Everything looks so beautiful both during the day and the night. Okay, so right before Diwali, they released notification for NEET PG 2022 and it's gonna be on 12th of March. We were all expecting it in April or May or June, but then the tentative date has come out to be in March. So काउंसलिंग का आता पता नहीं है अभी एंड नीट की 2022 की डेट आ गई है सो ऑब्वियसली आई हैव टू स्टार्ट ग्राइंडिंग अगेन बिकॉज बैठ नहीं सकती आई मीन काउंसलिंग के भरोसे सो या आई स्टार्ट स्टडिंग अगेन और आई हैव टू आई मीन आई डोंट नो दिस शुडंट बी एक्साइटेड वाली फीलिंग बट देन आई एम फीलिंग एक्साइटेड पता नहीं क्यों सो या मे बी गेट रेडी फॉर माई स्टडी व्लॉग्स और मे बी नॉट मे बी मैं सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के पढ़ना चाहूँ बिकॉज यू नो बहुत हो गया है अब तो आई हैव टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस अभी तक मुझे लगता था ओके आई हैवंट रीच दैट सैचुरेशन पॉइंट वेयर आई हैव टू यू नो लाइक ओह माय गॉड आई एम सो डन सो आई वांट टू रीच दैट सैचुरेशन पॉइंट एंड फॉर दैट आई हैव टू क्विट एवरीथिंग सो आई विल सी job maybe I won't quit for now because that doesn't take you know much of my energy. You know I have joined anatomy department so it doesn't take a lot. वहाँ पे भी जाकर I can study. So yeah, let's see जब तक I can you know continue both. And this month I have one of my family friends' wedding, as you know I have mentioned before, and my sister is coming for that. Both of my sisters are coming, so I have kind of a disturbance this month. So I might carry my job along with my studies, but then I have to make it this time. To everyone getting back to studies, all the very best. All the very, very best. इसके बाद next है. This is the last NEET. So let's do it.